Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you another cool tip for Microsoft Excel conditional formatting, which will be helpful in highlighting a smallest value in a row. So let's begin. I will select this cell range. I will put equal and I will use a function called rand between, and I will give a bottom value of 100, top value of 1000, control enter. So I got some random numbers generated by Excel. So all I want now is to highlight the smallest value in each row. In order to do that, I have to select the whole range of data. I will go to conditional formatting, and inside conditional formatting I will go to new rule. Inside the new rule option, I have to select format cells that contains option. Here I will go to cell value equal to, and then I have to put a formula here to satisfy the condition. So I will use the Excel built-in formula of min, which refers to the minimum value. Inside the bracket, I will select the first row. So by default it has taken the absolute reference, but since I want this formula to be copied down to the whole data range, so I will remove the absolute reference from the row number. So I will remove the $sign from 5, so it will be logged only in E column, and then I will remove the absolute reference from S5 also. So I will remove from 5, so now it is logged in S column only. So now the formula will automatically be applied to the whole range. So I will close this, and now I have to select the formatting I want to apply. I will go to fill cell, I will make it yellow. Okay, and now you can see in each row I have got the minimum value highlighted. This is 130, if you see. Similarly in the second one, 135. Here it is 144, like that. I hope this tip will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.